If you're logging into Google Ads and making rapid-fire tweaks hoping your ROI miraculously goes up, you are burning your own money. To fix an underperforming account, you need a system. Aaron Young's S.T.A.B framework is a 4-step process designed to remove emotion from the equation and eliminate guesswork. Pull up your Google Ads account right now, along with a companion optimization checklist spreadsheet, and let's run an audit. We have to execute these 4 steps in exact chronological order. If you jump straight to adjusting your bids before you fix the underlying account structure, you are optimizing a broken system. Step 1 is S for spending and segmentation. We start by looking at exactly where your cash is flowing across the entire account. Look at this structure. If you dump all products into a single broad campaign, high-performing items get buried underneath lowest performers. The fix is to split this broad setup into isolated categories based on product type. Now, profitable items have dedicated budgets. Go to your campaign's dashboard and sort by ROAS, return on ad spend, from lowest to highest. This exposes exactly which segments are bleeding your budget. Pause those bottom performers immediately. Take the daily budget you are wasting there and reallocate it strictly to the campaigns hitting your profit targets. By segmenting your data, your high-margin products are no longer choked out by less profitable categories, ensuring your budget is available for the products that generate the most return. Now that the structure is clean, we move to T for targeting. Here, we narrow our focus down to specific user intent. Open your search terms report. This shows you exactly what users typed into Google before clicking your ad. You are hunting for irrelevant queries that silently drain your daily budget. Select junk terms, like someone searching free when you sell premium goods, and formally add them as negative keywords so you never pay for them again. From that exact same report, identify the specific searches that are actually generating sales. Lock those in as exact or phrase match keywords to capture more of that exact traffic. Be careful with demographics, though. If you exclude too many age groups or locations right away, you destroy your reach. Set up observation audiences to gather data first before making massive cuts. Meticulous targeting acts as a filter. You stop paying for window shoppers and funnel your capital exclusively toward users actively ready to buy. Now we look at what happens after they search. Step 3 is A for ads and landing pages. Navigate to your Ads tab. Look at your active ad variations and sort them by click-through rate. Identify the ads at the very bottom of that list. If they consistently fail to capture clicks, pause them. Now, check the conversions. If you have an ad with a high click-through rate but terrible conversions, the ad is doing its job. That data indicates a landing page failure. Look at this side-by-side comparison. To fix a high bounce page, your site's primary header must perfectly mirror what the user read in the ad headline. When the messaging aligns, it establishes immediate trust. The user knows they clicked the right link, stays on the page, and your conversion rate improves. With your structure, traffic, and creative now optimized, you can finally address the last lever, bidding. If you have a brand new campaign, start with manual CPC. But once your account has accumulated a solid history of conversion data, it's time to transition to automation. Go into your campaign settings, select an automated strategy like Target ROAS, and type in a specific percentage based on your actual business margins. Keep this realistic. If you set an aggressive target that demands massive returns on day 1, Google's algorithm will simply stop showing your ads and starve the campaign of necessary traffic. Set a reasonable target and trust the machine learning. Because your account is segmented and targeted, the algorithm can find profitable auctions and manage bids more efficiently than manual adjustments ever could. Your S.T.A.B audit is complete. You've taken a messy, money-wasting account and structured it into a streamlined, data-driven machine. Go back to your optimization checklist spreadsheet, log today's date, and write down the specific changes you just made so you have a documented record. Now, step away from the keyboard. The algorithm needs several weeks to gather performance data under these new parameters. Do not interfere with it. Adopting the S.T.A.B framework moves you away from emotional guesswork and into a repeatable process for identifying exactly where your next dollar of profit is coming from.